Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I think it's part 4 of this series. I made a mistake, but it came out pretty cool. And if you remember in the other video, we controlled D and we reduced it by 2%, or we rotated it 2 degrees and we reduced it by 3 degrees. And then we did this and we got that. And that is cool. But I made a mistake and this happened and it was like, wow. I'm going to unlock my ratio. And now I'm going to go 2 degrees, 97, and then control D. I didn't control D the first time. Let me get it back. Get it back to where it was at 0. Control D. Unlock your ratio. 2 degrees, 97. And watch this. I actually went too far. That is a mistake that looks pretty cool. I don't know what you think about it, but if we make all these lines yellow, so it'll stand out, and then put a black box around it. So what I was doing was reducing it just one direction by a percentage, and it came up with that. That's pretty unique. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea, and mistakes happen, and sometimes they come out great. Thank you for watching.